Okay, so as you can see, well, this is my final segment for this class, and as you can see here, I have all the names of all the pages I'm going to work. It's only missing like the dashboard and the story, but we can start here. Map. So the first one is map sales per country. So first we go here. Perfect. That is like the map, and we're going to include sales. I also already have some calculations that I can show you later. So here first is the importe-venta total right there. So now we can see the number of sales per country, and now I think yeah, right, like this, in a very good, nice color. Yep, I think I like it more like this maybe. Yeah, but yeah, like that. Nope, no, this way. That way. Yeah, now you can see like just, but does not have much sense to me. Yeah, well, we can use also other colors like this red. Okay, but I don't know. Well, like this is okay. Now, next, total sales per region. So, first is like the zone: Africa, Asia, Australia, well, Oceania, Central America, and we're going to total sales. So, importe venta. Right there is like a very small graph, but well, a table, but has good information. We can see here like which region is the one with more sales and the one with less sales. Okay, next one, I will make the evolution of sales per month. So to do this, we can make like the date first, the date of sent, like the day where the company sent the product, but by month, like that. And then the same one by in years. So as you can see here, 2020, 2021, and 2022. And we can take here down, perfect, the import of sales. So as you can see, it goes up to January until March of 2020, of 2021, but then it falls until January of 2022. Yep, but I think it's recount. Yeah, better. No, it's some. Perfect. Next is number of sales per product. Okay, so here is the product. Where product type of product, and import total sales. So as you can see, here is how many each product have sale. Next is total sales per sales channel. That is also a very easy graph. I will, like, here is the okay, the channel, but I'm going to use here. Nope. Nope, I think it's like this one and this one. Yeah, but I don't want this. Automatic. Next. A pie graph with names. Okay, it's not very big, but shows very important information. Next is the type of product per client and the total. So we're going to make like this: type of product per client and total. So type of product, I don't know, yeah. Per client, yep. And the total amount he ordered, like that. So as we can see here, I can make this bigger. I don't think so. Yes, but I don't like that. Okay. We can see like how much each client has ordered from each product. But I think we can order like that. Yep. So we can see like client C1069 has ordered cereals and clothes and the amount of each one. We can, yeah, we can leave it like that. Okay, the next one will be total revenue per country. So, all right. Yeah. Sales per country, no, but this is like the same. This is like the same stuff. So, well, no, it's different because this is like sales, how each country had sale, and this is the revenue. So basically, I calculate like this. I have first the country, Afghanistan, Then I make the importe coste total, then the importe venta total. No, how was this? No, text. Yes, but I don't like that. Okay, like this and like this, but in text. No. Let me check. How does I do that? Coast. Sale. No, this way. Text. Yeah, but I want. Yeah, I remember like this. Perfect. So I have here the cost and the sales, but I want to know like the revenue. So I do here calculation that is called ganancia importe. I can make it again if you want. Here, editor. And this is how I make it. So is importe venta total minus importe cost, total cost, and that's how we knew the revenue, in this case la ganancia. So we put here a set and we put it right here. And here's la ganancia of the revenue, excuse me, of each country with a simple, bottom. I think we can leave it like that. Next is the total revenue per product. So here we took the product, then we can take also the units, because we want to know how many units they are per product. Yep. Then we have the cost of each product, like this. No. Here and here, but in this. Perfect. So we have the cost of each product, the units of each product, and it's missing the the import, the total sales import right here. Like this. Nope. Yeah. And finally, also I do a calculation that is the revenue per product, this one. So how do I make it? With a simple formula that is the total, like the sales, or the sales minus the units multiplied by the cost of each product, the cost per unit basically. So here I put it in the last one, and there is the total of the total revenue per product. So as we can see, the biggest one is the domestic one with 66,100. That's a lot. And so we can pass to the next one, that is total cost per product. So for this one also, again, we have the product, the cost here, the units here. We change the type of table. I prefer the units go first. Oops, excuse me. The units go first, and then the cost of, no, I think, well, it doesn't matter really, but to seem more organized. The units, the cost, perfect, and it's missing the importe coste total. So the import total cost. Perfect. And this is like the importe coste total. I like the cost of what, like, for the company, how much it costs to take the product to other country, all the logistics, basically all of that stuff. So I also make a formula for this that is here, the total cost. Now I can show you what it is right here. I also like a very simple formula that is importe coste total plus units times the cost of each unit, and that's how it goes, like the total cost. And last but not least, with clients, excuse me, I can change this. Clients. Perfect. Are the clients person per country. So as the big one is the zone, then the country, and then the amount of clients here, and we put here recount, but right there. Perfect. So we can see like Afghanistan have 5 clients, Algeria only 1, Angola 9, Australia 10, East Timor 4, all of that stuff. Also, it's like a very simple table, but has a very good information. Okay, based in this, we can make, eliminate a dashboard. Is right here. First, we change automatic, to make it big, and it start moving all our tables. Okay, about that, we can make some filters. Here, for example, we can make a filter about the country. Except extract filtro, but change the filter to like that. And if we can say only Andorra and Bangladesh, and there is this and this. It's a very good table, but in this case, let's make it all. In this case, I don't think it's necessary a filter, because as you can see, we already have all the information we need. Here in the sales by month, we can filter by month. So here, filter, months, accept, where is this? Show filter. Like the same one, only February and March of each year. But we can keep it in all of them. Next, for this one, as the other one, I don't think we need a filter for this. The information is very clear. The information is very clear. Here we need a filter, but what type of filter? I think 2 filters, one per client, another per product. So here, client, accept, and product, accept. No. Where is it? Here, but client, we need another one. Perfect. Show filter and show filters. Yes, but no. I think here we can make this one all together, or no, like this. Like I want to search C 1 2 2. Okay, there's no client 1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 3. I know it's right there. Only that. Okay, I think it's the best filter in this case. Okay, next is the other filter, that is the type of product. I can leave it like that, but doesn't looks very good. like this one. I prefer this one. So yeah, perfect. I think it's great. And also in this case, it only appears to me the clients that consume or that both food for babies. But we're going to leave all together. Yep. The next one, here the total revenue per country. Which filter? Well, filter per country, and yeah, that's all. The same. Nope. Sorry. Yeah, perfect. Yes, and no, like this one. Perfect. Next, a filter of type of product, maybe show filter here, the same. This one, perfect. Next one will be the same filter by product here. Yes. Show filter. This one, yeah. Here also two filters, one by zone and one by country. So country, yeah, and zone, yeah. So the first one, let's show, and as we know, the countries like this will be perfect. And the other one, that's there are very few zones. I think like this will be perfect. Show by one. It's good. Yeah. Now that we already have the filters, we can make the dashboard. Float. We can make it shorter. I will hide the titles of each one of them. I like it more like this. Yeah, like this is great. Next one, total sales. Well, the second one. Let's hide title, float. This, yes, perfect. And the evolution of sales per month, hide title, float. Yeah, like this is perfect. I think, yeah. This one, hide title, float. And we can put it right here. Yeah. The next one, the basis one, title, float, and it's a very short pie chart, so like this is good. We can leave it here. Title, float, another one, like this is good. Perfect. Next one, total revenue, the same title, load. Okay, the space isn't okay. I think I have to reduce the space of these ones and this one. Yep. Now I can take this here, also this here, and make it this one shorter and put it here. I can take more like this one more like this, and this one more like this. Better. No. Yeah. Next, total revenue. Yep, perfect. Here, title. Oops. Loadable. I can put it like here, but not like this. Yep, I like it. And there's only missing too much of these ones. Title. Note. This one, and last but not least, title. Load. I will make it shorter, and that's it. Yep, and that's our dashboard. And now we're going to make a story, a sequence. I think it's going to be about let's see. I think it's going to be about these ones: the total revenue per country, the total revenue per product, the total cost per product, and the client. No, yeah, only these three. Why? Because I think for a company will be good how much revenue is going to like win per country, per product, and the cost of these ones. So I think we can make first this page. So total revenue, this one, and no, here's the filter. Perfect. No, not here. First one, second one. Revenue of each country. Here, total cost of each product. And I think to complement, we can make the evolution. How sales increase modify each month per during 3 years. Yep. I think this will be all. The assignment. Thank you for your attention. And yeah, that's all.